So BambuLab AMS 2 Pro has arrived and I am going to upgrade my P1S, which was standalone bought last year, and I will show you the unboxing and installation in this video. So this is the power cord. These are the screws for the filament buffer. AMS 2 Pro. This is how AMS 2 Pro looks like after you take it out. Let's remove these sides. This is how it looks when you place it on the BambuLab P1S, and this is the AMS 2 Pro. So what do we have here? Let's install the filament buffer over here. So you need to take out these tubes, which are PTFE, and another additional connector. You will get 4 pair of PTFE tube and another 2 gel pads to soak in the moisture, and another connector. Just insert the tube and you can see when it's connected, this will happen. Insert the screws. This is the Allen key which I will use. Make sure you connect the correct PTFE tube because these two are smaller, I just noticed. So take it out, you have to like press something like to take it out. Do not pull it out, okay? Do not open these screws. There is a small thing which you press slowly with the Allen key and the tube can be pulled out. Make sure you don't over tight it, but you can see it's not moving. The other PTFE tube, push it gently. They are connected, shorter cable here, longer cable here. Part 2 is connected somewhere over here, which will be posted after this.